Hello and welcome. Today I will be using primary colors. The base color is primary yellow, and I'll also be using primary cayenne, one of those, and primary magenta. Next, I am going to layer my cup, and I'm starting with blue because that's the color that's going to come out first. And I'm just adding a little bit of white to it, but I'm hoping to create green by pouring out the blue first because it's going to come in contact with the yellow. So I'm hoping to create green, and then the same with the primary magenta. I poured that in the pink cup first and then added a little bit of white to it. So I'm hoping to create orange. Here I am just doing a standard ring pour. And as you can see, as I'm pouring out my ring, I am not getting any green. I don't know why I thought it was going to be an instant reaction. Just because I am using primary colors. These are all straight primary colors. They're not mixed with any other colors or any metallics. That's just primary cayenne, and this is primary magenta. So yeah, as you can see, as I pour out the primary magenta and as it comes in contact with the primary yellow, I'm not getting any orange. And I don't know why I thought it was going to be an instant reaction again, but we're just gonna keep going and see what happens. Here I am just taking a balloon and kind of smashing it in the center just to break up the ring in the center a bit and blend the color together to kind of give it a more natural look. I was also thinking that I may create some green and some orange, but that didn't happen. Just stretching out the rings a bit. As you can see, there's not a lot of base color, the primary yellow. There's not a lot of paint on the canvas, and that's completely fine. That's exactly how I like it. I'm so happy I decided to pour over one of the rings. I kind of wish I would have poured over the magenta one as well. And I'm still not really sure how I feel about the colors and the composition. Again, I do love the second ring that I decided to pour over the blue one. I love the ombre of color and the colors that I created. I just don't know if I like it on this primary yellow base. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section and let's talk about it. Let me know what you like about this painting, what you would have liked to see different, and any suggestions for future paintings. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish touching up my sides and edges. I do want to thank everyone for being here and watching me create this disaster, but it's all fun and games. No painting is a disaster. And this is also to show everyone that not every painting comes out perfectly. And the idea that you have in your head sometimes looks better in your head than on the canvas. And that's perfectly okay. I'm still very interested to see how this one dries. So stay tuned for the dry results at a later date. But if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider doing so.